Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix error code 279 Roblox PC. So first, close the game properly. So open Task Manager, select Roblox Game Client, and choose a task. Once done, we need to right click on the Roblox player, select Properties from the Compatibility option. We need to check this box, run this program as an administrator, select Apply, and okay, now press Windows key plus R key together to open run and type here person local app data person, select OK. Once we are here, we need to open local folder, then find out temp folder, open it, then right click on the Roblox folder and simply delete it. Once done, we need to open Google Chrome. From the settings of the Chrome, we need to go to privacy and security, tap select delete, browsing data, and check this option and check cookies. And other side, data from the time range, we need to select all time and select delete data. Then close this window. Now open simply settings, then go to network and internet, select Ethernet and choose change adapter option. Once we are here from the control panel, we go to network and internet and select network connections. Now right click on your internet connection, open it, properties, then select IPv4 and open it properties. Now once we're here, we need to use the following DNS server address and add 8.8.8.8, and for the alternate DNS server, add here 8.8.4.4. Once done, select OK, close all the windows one by one and simply restart your system and your problem will be fixed. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.